How to change your default video playing app, and this is for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro phone or any of the other Note 13 phone models. This is a China model phone with global ROM, Android 14 Hyper OS. In order to change these settings, use the quick panel access, and for Hyper OS, you'll look for the toggle the settings one. That's the fastest way to the main settings. And once in this section here, you'll need to go down to where it says apps right here, okay? And in the apps section, you'll see the three dots here. Tap on that one time. This will show you these options here. Go to where it says other settings. As you tap on that here, you'll see these different options, and one of them is the default apps. Tapping on that one time will take you to all the different default app settings here, and you will be able to choose your default video playing app. So to the bottom here, out of the box, it will be set to none at all. And if you recently installed an app that can play videos, it will appear here as well if it's compatible with your model. So you can choose now which one will open up your video every time you select a video to play from your phone, whether it's something sent from your friends or through the album section, the photos app, the gallery app, whatever it is, it'll play it from there. Okay, so like and sub.